How to delete WhatsApp chat history permanently. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete WhatsApp chat history permanently. So do watch the video till the end and then without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign in to your account. Then tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Choose settings. Scroll down. Locate chats and tap on it. Scroll down. Now select chat history at bottom of the screen. And here you will get different options like export chat, archive all chats, clear all chats and delete all chats. So in order to delete WhatsApp chat history permanently, simply you can tap on clear all chat. Here you got the two option whether like you want to delete the shared messages or also delete media received in chats from the device gallery. When you go back and tap delete all chat, this includes deleting media received in chats from device gallery. So tap delete chats and your WhatsApp chats will be permanently deleted. So that is how we delete WhatsApp chat history permanently. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and then subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.